Morning, Junior 6. How are you doing? Hope you have had a great long weekend and a beautiful Easter together with your family. Okay, I'm uploading this tutorial to organize our Meet, our Hangouts Meet sessions. I will be uploading these that you can see here. Yes, it's a planner. We're going to have everything organized, yes, on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Okay, if there is a problem or something happens, I will let you know and we will change this. Yes, but for the time being, we are keeping these 3 days. Two of them, yes, are um, group sessions, and we have only one day, Wednesday, that we have. I will leave some time for private sessions. Okay, so let's go through. We have Tuesdays, yes, and we're going to continue working in two groups, A and B, the ones we used before. Tuesday, yes, here you have this week, okay, from the 14th to the 17th. Yes, but this will be the same for every week until we get back to the school. Okay, so this Tuesday I'm having group A at 10:30 and I'm having group B at 11. Wednesdays, yes, will be for private sessions. Yes, I'm giving you some time from 11:30 to 12. On Thursdays you're having physical education, so we won't have a session on that day. And then we have Fridays again, same time. Group A at 10:30 and Group B at 11. Groups are exactly the same, okay? This is Group A. I have 12 of you here. And this is Group B, and I have other 12 with you here, okay? Well, what I want you to, not only to start remembering, yes, it will take some time to get used to this, okay? And we're going to use something new, yes? This is our classroom, okay? Our language and literature classroom, yes? We're going to use Meet, okay? Hangouts Meet from our classroom, okay? So this is something new, pay attention, okay? Now, yes, I'm showing you how I prepare it, okay? So, okay. Can you see this? Now we can prepare our sessions, yes, and I can post them, publish them in our classroom. So it's not necessary for you to go to the calendar, to go to your emails, yes. The only thing here, yes, is that I will open the Hangouts Meet, the session, yes, at that right moment, and you will have the link, yes. This is how it works. Let's imagine it's Tuesday, yes, 10:15, yes, in 15 minutes we will be having our first meeting of the week, okay. I create, yes, the session here. I'll do that. You don't have to do anything, okay. And here it says, visible para los alumnos. I'll do this, okay, like that. I'll save it, okay, and take a look. Can you see the difference there? Yes? Before, you only had Google Calendar and Carpeta de Drive de la clase. Now, you have a new link there. Yes? So you're going to click. Yes? It's rather slow, sorry. Okay? There we have the code. Yes? Aún no ha llegado nadie because it's only me. Okay? And you join Mirme Ahora. Okay? So, we're going to close. Yes? And you have your link there. It's not necessary to open calendar. It's not necessary to check emails, anything. But you will have to pay attention to two things. First of all, you have to remember the days we're having our sessions, and you have to remember which is your group, because I will activate this link, yes, at 10:30 for group A and at 11 for group B, okay? So you need to pay attention to that specific detail. If you are group A at 10:30, you're going to click here, yes? And if you're group B, you're going to wait, yes, for 11, and you're going to click there again, yes? What I will do at the beginning to help you, yes, I will post like an alarm, yes, where I will tell you in 10 minutes we are having our Tuesday meeting session. In 5 minutes, yes, I will help you to remember, okay? So in this way, we can use Meet from Classroom, yes, and every time we have a doubt, we go to our document or a file where we have all the information, okay? Now, Wednesdays, private sessions time. In this case, from 11:30 to 12, you are going to contact me and you're going to ask me for a private session. Just send me an email or a comment and tell me, Miss Baby, I need help with this and I would like to have a private session, and I will send you the link. Yes, so please, Wednesdays, it's only for certain students, okay, for the ones that ask for the meeting, not for all of you, okay? We're going to try and let's see what happens. If this gets too complicated, we go to the way it was organized before, sending the emails and all that, okay? So again, you're going to receive these, yes, and then on the day when we are having the meeting, you will see these added, yes, because if not, on a normal day, this is not there, okay? It only activates when I turn on a session, yes, at that moment, okay? So, well, I hope it helps. Let's try and let's see what happens tomorrow, okay? For the session, get your list ready, the one that I uploaded today, and any doubts, and then we're going to keep organizing the rest of the week, okay? Love you.